In this video, I will go over the Video Player tab. Here, you can watch videos with overlaid predictions and download some of the results files created during inference. Visual inspection of these videos is an important step in assessing how well your models are performing. Start by selecting a model in the left sidebar. If you haven't run inference with that model, you will see an error message saying that a video does not exist. In that case, you need to go back to the Train Infer tab and run inference using that specific model. Let's start by inspecting the first model in the list. Next, select the video you wish to inspect. I'll select TestVid. You can see the predictions overlaid on the video. In the top left corner, you can see the time and, next to that, the frame number for reference. Press play to start the video. In the More Options menu, you can select to download the video or change the playback speed. You can also manually scroll through the video using the time bar. You can also download raw predictions files and metrics files in the Download section. If you select multiple files, they will be downloaded as a zipped folder containing all the files you selected. Let's go over the files available for download. TestVid.csv contains the predicted coordinates for each key point, along with their likelihood. There are other files that start with the video name, followed by an underscore, followed by temporal norm, PCA single view, or PCA multiview. These files contain the unsupervised losses computed on each frame and each key point. We have already discussed these metrics in the Video Diagnostics tab, and note that the files are available to download here if you prefer to analyze them outside the app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.